Who's taking on Ashish Khaitan? Okay, Ragini and Manjeet Singh ji can don't speak together. Ragini, one at a time, Ragini.
The people of Delhi.
Ashish, listen to Ragini. She's taking you on directly. Please listen to her. Go ahead, Ragini. Go ahead.
Yeah.
You know, Arnab, I think any person who has even a very vague memory of what happened during the 49 days of Aam Aadmi Party reign led by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal would categorically remember how he called himself an anarchic, would also remember how Mr. Arvind Kejriwal virtually did a U-turn on all the promises he made, be it the VIP culture, the VIP residence, VIP vehicles, the Janta Darbar, and essentially on the foundational premise of their politics, which was Jan Lokpal Bill. The reality is, the fact of the matter is that he abandoned Delhi. It is also true that he had higher ambitions for which he forsook the political arena of Delhi. And when he realized that he cannot have a larger stake at the national level, he came back to Delhi. And when after the Lok Sabha elections, he again came to Congress because he was power hungry and he wanted to form the government for the second time. It was only when the Congress party vehemently denied this proposition did he go back to his initial stand of calling for fresh polls. So what is this called? I mean, he kept shifting his goalposts. He kept playing his convoluted games. I mean, all these jargons, all this gaga about this.
Ragini,
the Aam Aadmi has proved that it was only a political trick and no profound
we will make Delhi,
which is a very sad situation.
Listen.
Yogesh Khandelwal is from Delhi. He's an independent consultant. To Ragini, I want to say one thing. Ragini, this unseemly fight between you and Arvind Kejriwal, this face-off between both of you is irrelevant because you know why? Your party failed to lead in a single assembly segment in Delhi in the Lok Sabha elections. And part of that reason may be because people of Delhi also saw through your fake attempt to create an alliance with Arvind Kejriwal and punished you for it.
Come on, you don't exist.
Yogesh Khandelwal is calling from Delhi. Yogesh Khandelwal. Mr. Khandelwal, who do you blame? Ragini, listen to the people of Delhi at least. Yogesh is calling from Delhi. Yogesh ji, good evening.
Good evening, Arnab.
Good evening, Yogesh ji. Listen to people. Yogesh is wanting to say something to you, Ragini. दिल्ली के लोगों को तो सुन ले आज जी योगेश जी प्लीज गो अहेड
कैन आई स्पीक इन हिंदी
जी हिंदी में कहिए कोई बात नहीं मैं ट्रांसलेट कर दूंगा
मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है आप पार्टी से है
जी
कि आप पार्टी ने 49 डेज के अंदर दिल्ली की क्या कंडीशन की है क्यों छोड़ के गए सरकार को और अब ये जो है जवाब दे सेकंड कांग्रेस पार्टी ने 3 महीने
से पहली बात
नहीं एक सवाल का जवाब होगा योगेश जी आम आदमी पार्टी आपके सवाल का जवाब देना चाहती है गो अहेड बट मेक इट ब्रीफ आशीष वी हैव लिमिटेड टाइम
योगेश जी for the 15 years of Congress regime there was blatant corruption in every government department. You remember the power tariff? It was hitting the ceiling.
Let him complete.
You remember scarcity of water? You remember the water mafia? You remember the tanker mafia? You remember the dalals in government offices? We had taken care of all of that in 49 days. But we wanted to give an institutional solution to corruption and misgovernance in Delhi. And what was that institutional response? An institutional mechanism that we wanted to put in place? A Jan Lokpal.
Please, you know, this is like, no, one second.
तो आप जाके शिकायत कर सकें.
जी, okay, one second. It didn't work. It bounced up. Yogesh ji, अगला सवाल.
We wanted to have an independent.
Yogesh ji, okay, short. I said short replies. Ashish, I said छोटे reply दीजिए. दूसरा सवाल, योगेश जी, दूसरा सवाल आपका. एक और सवाल लेंगे आपसे. Go ahead, योगेश.
सेकंड क्वेश्चन मेरा रागनी से है.
जी. पूछिए.
क्वेश्चन मेरा रागनी मैडम से है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन मेरा रागनी मैडम से है कि रागनी मैडम लोकसभा इलेक्शन के साथ दिल्ली के इलेक्शन क्यों नहीं करा दिए गए?
बिल्कुल मैं आपके सवाल का सटीक और बहुत छोटा साधारण सा जवाब देती हूँ. 14 फरवरी 2014 को अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने कहा कि वो इस्तीफा देंगे, दिल्ली को भागकर छोड़कर चले जाएंगे दिल्ली का राजनीतिक अखाड़ा. उसके बाद वहां से लेकर मार्च तक अगर आप देखेंगे, मार्च में इलेक्शन कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लग गया. करीब 20-25 दिन का समय ऐसा था कि दिल्ली की वॉलेटाइल सिचुएशन के ऊपर गौर करने की जरूरत थी और लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर मुझे लगता है कि एक लेजिटिमेट टाइम स्पैन था ये जांचने के लिए कि दिल्ली की पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन कैसी है। उसी के साथ साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के बारे में बार बार ये खबरें आ रही थी कि वो लोग जो मेडिकल फिगर है उसको पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो 20 दिन के लिए आप आरोप कांग्रेस पार्टी पर नहीं लगा सकते। लेकिन अब जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी सत्ता में आई है उसके बाद से लेकर अभी तक आप देखें तो इनके पास ना तो नंबरों की बढ़ोतरी है ना ही कोई और इनके पास व्याख्यान है।
Who do you blame for the Delhi mess? The debate continues in 2 minutes. Who do you blame? Who do you blame? You can tweet and you can call. 3 more calls are yet to be taken on the news hour tonight. And when I come back, 4 more reasons to the BJP. 4 more reasons from the BJP on why they should explain. And Aarti Cherat, I'll come to you first as the debate continues in a few minutes. You can tweet now. This program is still live. See you in a couple of minutes.